It is so hot. It's not real right now. The way it's hot. Whew. I think there's a train passing. Let's see. Why am I not seeing it? Oh yeah, I see there. There's a train passing, guys. The long train. It's a long train. Um, yeah, this train is passing. But it's too hot to go down that side. It's really, really too hot. But my hand's not shaking. See, it's not the end, no. It's still going. It's still going. It's still going. It's still going. Those cargoes are so far apart. Mm, but it's still going. Yeah. Yeah. I do it like this. Let's see, guys. The train is still. It just finishes. So hot. Oh wow. I have some flat belt like without anything on it going. What you call that? Those parts of it. Guys, one of my friends comes out. It's hot down there, right?
I don't think it's hot.
It's not hot?
No, I think the breeze is actually nice and cool. I mean, if you sit in the sun long enough, it'll get hot, but I don't think this is as bad as I don't think it is as bad as it has been.
Okay.
That was English.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. I'm not walking in it. I am not walking in this. And somebody gone with the beautiful seat that I normally sits on. She's still there. Whew. So guys, how are you all doing? Who is on? Who is on? How are you doing? How are you? How is things going? My Jamaican peeps, Shireen, how is it going in Senti? I know there might not be light yet, but whew, some places JP is still working on to restore light. Yeah, the restoration process is taking a little bit longer than they anticipated. I am guessing because of the extent of the damage to the power lines. So just be a little patient with them. They will get this done as quickly as possible. I know it's hard to be without light. I know. Um, I can't imagine because nowadays without light and internet is like, wow, it's not like back in the days when um, Gilbert did. We never did so much into technology then. So I can understand that persons you are all missing out on social media because you'd have to have a phone charge or have a power bank, get it charged up someplace in order to be on live or to do your social media videos or whatever it is you're doing. I know it's kind of hard, but it's coming soon. Have the faith and trust in God for it to happen. Okay? Oh, that's where you go for that. That's where you go for that. Okay. And I'm not even seeing one of my little friend them. They must realize that it's too hot to be out here. None of them out here, you know? All of them migrated to other places. But the birds are out. Ooh. Can't take this walk today. Not in the sun. Can barely go. And inside the building is so cold. So you can imagine. Very cold to very hot. Very cold to very hot. I'm just doing some cool shade walking. Cool shade circling. No hot sun circling. Cool shade. How we manage with on that bike in this heat? So I'm doing cool shade circling. Oh. Oh. Hi guys. Who are the persons on? I can see some persons on, but you guys not talking to me. The trees them just make a nice shade right here. So beautiful. So beautiful. So you guys looking at me and I'm looking at you guys. Nobody talking. Oh, I need to make a call. Nobody talking. Everybody looking. I am looking. You are looking. Oh, the breeze is so nice right here. Woo. Wow. Beautiful breeze blowing. Maybe same it's blowing in the sun as she said. It's not humid, but yeah. So guys, I'm not gonna stay long because I'm just paced in one place. I don't want to pace in one place. I want to go back inside and enjoy the coolness of the AC. Yeah. So I just came to check in to see if any of my peeps that normally tell me what is happening, Carrie Berry, Shireen, Lola, you know. But seems as if everybody's busy. Since I don't have a schedule to come on, I just come on when I feel like. Sometimes I just feel like to come on and let's go over here. Jesus, the sun hot, man. The sun hot for my body is a shame. What's she saying not hot? Whoa, my head. Hurry up and come out of the sun. Oh, she said not hot. But it's crazy hot. Look at the sky behind me. Look at the sky, guys. 97 degrees sky behind me. Whew. Let's sit a little bit under this tree. I'm gonna get a little seat. Get a little seat, guys. Why my nose itching me? I get a little seat. I get a little seat. Oh, so one of my friend there. I see one of my friend guys, but in their way down this, running away. Going down them, so. Yeah. So I am going to say bye for now, guys. Take care. Bye bye. See you on my next live. Come, guys, I'm going over Facebook for like 5-10 minutes. So you can come on over if you're here. Come on over to Facebook, okay? I haven't been doing any live over there, so just want to touch base over there to see what's going on. All right. So bye.